Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a plank on a med ball. So, med balls move. This is going to require quite a bit of upper body and core stability. We want our shoulders, elbows, and wrists all stacked, and as we do this, we're really going to push our bodies, our upper bodies away from the med ball. This is going to activate our upper back, which is going to help stabilize us. Also, squeeze your abs, squeeze your quads, squeeze your glutes. That's going to keep everything in one solid line and help you maintain your plank. For more stability, total body strengthening exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.